Hello, my name is Joshua Savage. I'm a senior at WKU. Purpose for this video is for a project research class that I'm doing. It's for material handling and ingot storage areas in the 142, 144 bays at the place that I work. I'd like to apologize ahead of time. I am sick. I'm going to take a cough drop and try to keep the cough down. All this pollen outside and everything has got me sick. I've been sick since last Wednesday, and been trying to postpone this video as long as I possibly could, but I'm doing it with my cell phone. Maybe hear me a little better than my laptop. So let's get started. All right, so this final progress report, we had a meeting and we discussed everything that we've accomplished in the time frame that we've done. The whole team is excited and think that the project is definitely worthwhile. There was a few that was second guessing the project, and that there were certain people on different teams that wasn't going to be a team player and use the storage bay maps that we've created, the SOPs that we've created, all this information. Sorry, all this information that we've gathered to use and utilize and keep all of the storage bays clean, and not mix alloys together. I reassured them that the project that we were doing was in perfect conditions, the perfect scenario. When you start a project, the first step is to create what you want to happen, what you want to see, the perfect scenarios. And that's what we've created. And I'm confident with all the information that we've came up with that it will help anybody that is a current operator, that is a new hire, anybody forward will be able to look at this information, read over it, and can understand it to where things like what we have right now will not happen again. And then the next step later on in the future, if it's approved, we can have another project for upset conditions to where the scalper goes down or bluegrass has issues bringing in metal through the back door. They will, we might have something else in place to where when upset situation happens, we can get it back into the perfect scenario again a lot faster. With that said, throughout all the meetings, previous progress reports, there was a few people that didn't show up. When it was all said and done, everybody showed up except for the bluegrass contractor. And with his situation, I understand that he works 12-hour swing shifts, and he wasn't able to make it because of that situation. And I perfectly understand that. I do hate it that he wasn't able to attend, because he knew a lot of information outside in the boneyard, what they call where they store all the ingots that can't fit inside the building. He knew and had a lot of experience on how to organize outside. And like I said, there's 500 plus ingots outside that they've got to stage and organize and things like that. And inside, we've got around 200, a little more. So they've pretty much double what we've got. And anytime that they come up on the load back, they're pretty quick to bringing it inside the back door. So they're doing a really good job back there. And I hate that he was not able to attend, but I understand that situation. So, everything that we've accomplished here is going to be valuable to everybody and everybody's team. And this project before it happened, I've worked at Logan Aluminum for close to a year now, and when anybody first gets hired on somewhere and they start training with the more experienced veteran operators, a lot of times you see the operators training new hires in the way of, this is how you do it, just do it, it works this way. And the new hire starts doing it, gets in that rhythm, gets in that motion, and they're doing it and it's working for everybody, but they don't truly understand why it works this way. They might second guess, and they're like, well, if you do it this way, maybe you can do it this way. And I am sorry for coughing and clearing my throat a bunch, but I wanted to make a video attempt. But all right, so yes, with new hires and the whole hiring process, when you're training people, they don't fully understand how everything works. So me doing this project, I understand more of the different type of ingot alloys, the butt saw, and I've also learned lately that there is head saws also. So if remelt is casting an ingot and there's impurities on the head or on the butt of this ingot, then they will saw off one side or the other. If it's in the middle or throughout in any way, then that's when it gets scrapped. But yes, I've learned more about butt saw and head saw ingots, the scrap ingots, the RTS ingots, the and the hold ingots. So I've learned more information on that. And the whole project in general is just a really good one. And that's how I feel. And I feel that I'm starting to focus more on trying not to cough, and I'm getting redundant. But either ways, I have enjoyed this project, and I look forward to seeing it work across Logan for now on. In the final project, I'll do a PowerPoint presentation that covers everything. I'll show the ingot map and the SOP that the group created, and that's all I've got for this video report. Thank you.